Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at TimeCenter, a scheduling software solution found at TimeCenter.com. TimeCenter offers businesses a streamlined way to manage appointments, bookings, and client scheduling. Their platform promises to simplify the often complex process of coordinating schedules, freeing up time and resources for other essential tasks. The software boasts features designed to enhance both the client and business user experience. For businesses, TimeCenter offers tools to automate scheduling, send reminders, and manage client communication. On the client side, the platform provides a user-friendly interface for booking appointments and managing their scheduled activities. TimeCenter aims to reduce no-shows and improve overall efficiency by offering features like automated reminders and flexible scheduling options. The software also integrates with various other platforms and tools, further extending its functionality and reach. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a larger enterprise looking to streamline operations, TimeCenter positions itself as a scalable solution that can adapt to your specific needs. They offer a variety of pricing plans to accommodate different budgets and requirements, making it an accessible option for a wide range of users. Explore the features and benefits of TimeCenter by visiting their website and discover how this scheduling software can optimize your business processes and enhance your client interactions. TimeCenter emphasizes its user-friendly design, claiming it's easy to implement and requires minimal training to master. This is particularly beneficial for businesses looking for a quick and efficient solution to their scheduling challenges. With its comprehensive feature set and focus on user experience, TimeCenter aims to be a valuable tool for businesses looking to take control of their scheduling and optimize their overall workflow. Consider exploring their website to learn more about the specific features and pricing plans available, and see if TimeCenter is the right fit for your scheduling needs. They offer a range of resources, including tutorials and customer support, to help you get started and maximize the platform's potential.